Hey there and welcome back to our channel in Tutorial Guru. In today's quick guide, we are going to show you how to log in into Canva, the fantastic design tool that unlocks your creative potentials. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit Canva's website at www.canva.com and hit enter. On the top right corner of the Canva homepage, click on the login or sign in button. Canva offers several options for logging in. You can use your email, Google, Facebook, or Apple ID. Choose the method you prefer. Depending on your chosen method, enter your email and password. After entering your information, click on Login or Sign In button. And that's it, you have successfully logged in into Canva. Now you can unleash your creativity and start designing amazing content. Remember, Canva is a powerful design tool with a world of possibilities, so have fun exploring and creating. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.